Hello and welcome to today's math lesson. So first of all guys, can we all turn to wave and say a big hello to our friends on camera. Hello. And we'll begin by doing our meditation sequence. So I will sit down, take 2 fingers, find our heart center, left hand on our laps and close our eyes. And when you're ready guys, you can open your eyes and come back to the room. And next we'll do our stretch sequence. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. And we can begin by stretching up high to the sky. High as we can. And then let's go down low, touch our toes. And let's stretch back up high one more time. And this time, can we go tippy toe high? And while we're there, let's have a wave side to side. Excellent, guys. And then back down to touch our toes once more. And then stand up, have a shake. Arms and legs, let's shake it out. Shake it out. And now hands on hips. And we'll have a wiggle side to side. Wiggle side to side. Stop. Another wiggle side to side. Wiggle side to side. Stop. Forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards, and stop. And now we'll go round and round. Give our spines a nice stretch, round and round. And stop. We'll go back the other way. Round and round the other way. And stop. And to finish, we will do 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent, guys. Have a seat. So in math class recently, we've been doing a lot of work about times and activities and how we can plan when the times and activities will take place. And when we complete what's known as a time and activity chart, we give it a name. And this name is schedule. Yes, we design a schedule. S-C-H-E-D-U-L-E. Now, we've already learned about one type of schedule that we can create, which was a timetable. But then, in the previous math lesson, we learned about another type of schedule, similar to a timetable, but not quite. Program. Excellent, prayer. Well remembered. We also learned how to design, read, and understand our own program. P-R-O-G-R-A-M. So all together, guys, we've got schedule, program. Yes. And in our previous lesson, we looked at how we can create and read our own daily program. Now, what the daily program means is a list of events that we do throughout the day. So as a recap to the previous lesson, we're now going to have our students come forward and create part of their daily program for today. So first of all, our program needs a title. D-A-I-L-Y, daily, and then program. P-R-O-G-R-A-M. So we've got, guys, daily program. So remember, all timetables and programs need at least two things. Who can remember what the first thing is? What do we need so we know? Time. Excellent, Lackow. Well done. We need our time. And then, once we've got our time, we need to know what we're doing. And we call that the activity. Excellent, guys. And what we can also do, if we're doing a daily program, we can say what date it is. And today is Friday. What's the date? 29th. And what's the month? November. Well done, guys. So let's see who can come forward and complete the first activity that we've all done today. So let's see now who can go first with our first time and first activity. And now it's Down's turn to come forward and give us our first activity. Now, I think this is the first activity that everybody does every morning. Can anyone guess?
Wake up.
Wake up. But Down, what time did you wake up this morning? 5:30. Okay, excellent. So we've got the time. Next we need activity, which was wake up. W-A-K-E, and then up. U-P. Perfect. So Down, we've got 5:30. Wake up. Brilliant. That's a great start to the day. Big round of applause for Down, please, guys. So what we've got is the first activity of our daily program. Now what we need is our next activity. What do we do after we wake up? And maybe Bangpon can tell us. So, okay, we wake up 5:30, but Bangpon, what's next? Will we get the time? Okay, so we're getting the time first, and we've got 6 o'clock. Okay, so Bangpon, what happens at 6 o'clock? What do you do? Brush my teeth. Excellent. Okay, so we can write the activity, brush my teeth. So we can spell brush, B. S. H. My. M. Y. And teeth, T-E-E-T-H. Excellent, Bangpon. Just make sure this one here, B, not D. Give it B. Excellent. Okay, that's better. So all together, guys, 6 o'clock, brush my teeth. Bangpon, excellent. Big round of applause for Bangpon, please, guys. Okay, so far, our daily program tells us that we've woke up and we've brushed our teeth. But now, who can tell us what we do next? And now it's Prell's turn to come forward and tell us, after we've woke up, after we've brushed our teeth, what do we do next, guys? So let's see, we're up to 6 o'clock. What time will Prell give us? 6:15. Okay, so Prell, at 6:15, what did you do? Okay, very good. So Prel took a shower at 6:15. So all together, guys, 6:15, shower. Excellent, Prel. That's brilliant. Big round of applause for Prel. Now we can start thinking about getting ready, but there's something important that we need to do before we can go anywhere. Let's see who can tell us what that is. Pak Bung, come and join me at the front, please. So what happens after our shower? Are we ready to come to school yet? No. What do we need to do before we come to school? Okay, so 6:30 after our shower, what will you do, Pak Bung? Okay, so get dressed, okay. G-E-T-D-R-E-S-S-E-D. Okay, we can say got dressed too, because that's the past tense form of the verb get. So all together, 6:30, got dressed. And we can use the word got because it's already happened. It's past tense, so got dressed is fine. Pak Bung, 6:30, got dressed. Excellent. Big round of applause for Pak Bung, guys. So are we ready to come to school yet? No. There's something very important we must do every morning. Now let's see if Net can tell us what that is. So Net, come and join me at the front. And now we're up to 6:30. So what time will Net give us? 6:45. Now I imagine everybody is hungry by now. So what do we need to do, guys? Eat breakfast. So Net will write eat, E-A-T, and breakfast, B-R-E-A-K, and then F-A-S-T. Net, that's brilliant. So you can say 6:45, eat breakfast. Brilliant, guys. Net, that was excellent. Big round of applause for Net, please. Okay, and I think now we're ready to come. Where are we now? Yes. It's home. We're not at home now, we're at school. But Lakau, can you tell us what we have to do after we eat breakfast? So let's see, 6:45, we eat breakfast. And then at 7 o'clock, what happens? Go to school. Brilliant. So guys, 7 o'clock is time to go to school. Lakau, that was excellent. Very well done. And a big round of applause for Lakau too, guys. So you can see how we can devise our own daily program based on the activities that we've done already today. So we've got 5:30, wake up. 6 o'clock, brush my teeth. 6:15, shower. 6:30, got dressed. 6:45, eat breakfast. And then 7 o'clock, go to school, which is obviously where we are now. But guys, that was brilliant. Very well done. And what we're going to do in today's lesson is we're going to give our students the opportunity to do their own weekend program. So because it's the weekend, it will be over 2 days. It will be Saturday and Sunday. So we'll give our students a chance to think about their own weekend activities and devise their own schedule. But before then, we have time for our PowerPoint presentation for our students to observe, practice speaking, and answer the questions so that they can demonstrate how to read the program. So let's turn to look at the TV screen, please, guys. So let's take a look at our PowerPoint presentation today about creating programs. Yes, because in this lesson you get the chance to create your own weekend program. Another type of schedule we can use is called a program. Remember, first of all, we learned about the timetable. But now we're learning about a program which can go on for longer. Because here you can see a program. And what the program is over how many days? 4. You can see Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So sometimes a program is like a collection of timetables, because there's a timetable for Thursday, and then one for Friday, another one for Saturday, and another one for Sunday. If it was just one, Thursday, that would be timetable. But because there's a lot of them, we call that a program. A schedule program is like a timetable, but runs for a longer period of time. Like I explained before, usually they'll run for a few days, or maybe weeks, and even months. The schedule must have a title and show the relevant events or activities. Yes, even like the daily program we did earlier, it had a title. We gave it the date. Even if the title is only the date, it tells us what's happening on that day. A schedule program must also show the relevant dates and times. Yes, it can't just be times. If it's over many days, it has to have the date too. Otherwise, we won't know what day anything is happening. So usually dates and times. Therefore, we must learn to read schedules and timetables accurately. Yes. All program schedules must have 3 things: time, date, and activity. If you think about our daily program, you'll see the title, daily program, the date, which was the date today, and then the activities. And all programs must have them 3 things. Now here you can see a type of program: field trip and events schedule. And you can see it's over many days. So this is why we call it a program, because it's not just one day. So now let's see who can read the program correctly. What activity is on Wednesday, June 21st? So who can tell me? Who can find June 21st? First of all, Wednesday. So you can see the rows of dates. We've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So who can tell me where June the 21st is? Can you see here at the top, Wednesday? June 21. So what activity is taking place? Swimming. Swimming is on Wednesday, June 21. And that's how we read the program. What date is the club closed? Okay, so look for the red writing, guys. Club closed. What date is the club closed? Really? July 4. What day? Tuesday. Excellent, Packbone. You can see here, we've got club closed Tuesday, July 4. That's excellent. And that's how we read the program correctly. The club is closed on Tuesday, July 4. Yes. What date is the club barbecue? Okay, guys. So now let's try to find barbecue. BBQ. Excellent, Packbone. You see? Club BBQ is on what day? Thursday, July 6. And that's how we read the program. We look for the events on the different dates. The club barbecue is on Thursday, July 6. Excellent. And then one more question. Ready? What date is the final club activity? So go to the very end of the program, and what date can you see? So if we go right to the end and to the bottom, what day? Friday, August 11. You can see Friday, August the 11th is the final day of the program. So that's the final activity. The final club trip is on Friday, August 11. And that's how we read a program schedule correctly. Any questions? That was brilliant, guys. Well done. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the PowerPoint presentation so that they can learn more about scheduled programs, and also with the questions demonstrate how to read, understand and answer the questions based on the program activities. And coming up, we've got our worksheet exercise for our students to do their own weekend program. But first of all, guys, time for our stretch sequence. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. And we'll begin this one with some rotations. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Excellent, guys. Now let's do some stretches. So let's do 5 to our right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent, guys. And now we'll do 5 to our left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. And now let's have a shake. Arms and legs, shake it out. Then we can take our right hand and find our left foot. Then take our left hand and find our right foot. Right hand, left foot. Left hand, right foot. Right hand, left foot. Left hand, right foot. Excellent. And to finish this section, guys, we're going to do 5 star jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent, guys. Have a seat. So now we're going to have our students demonstrate with a worksheet activity how to do a weekend program. But before then, I'm going to demonstrate a quick weekend program of my own. So first of all, we need our title. And the title is Weekend, W-E-E-K-E-N-D. And then Program, P-R-O-G-R-A-M. Weekend program. Now, how many days is the weekend? 2 days. Okay, so the first day of the weekend? Saturday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. And the second day of the weekend? Sunday. So you see our weekend program is over how many days? 2 days, okay? So this is how we can do our program like this. Now each day, what is the first thing we need before we can do our activity? What do we need to know? Remember our daily program, what did we need? Time, okay? So every program needs a time. And this is true for both days. So now we're ready to complete our weekend program. And I think tomorrow, being Saturday, what I like to do on a Saturday, I like to go for a bike ride around 8 o'clock in the morning. So I will have 8 o'clock, and then the activity, ride my bicycle. On a Saturday morning, I like to ride my bicycle. So all together, guys, 8 o'clock, ride my bicycle. Now, your weekend programs might be different. This is just a demonstration of how to complete. We don't need to do every activity for a weekend program, like wake up, brush my teeth, get showered. We're only interested in the interesting activities. So, after I've been to ride my bicycle, I will go for lunch. And I will go for lunch around 12 o'clock midday. And I will go for lunch with my friends. So 12 o'clock, lunch with friends. Okay? So you can see how the program is beginning to take place. And then tomorrow evening, I like to watch the football. Because it's Saturday, there is football on television. So around 1900 hours, 7 p.m., I will watch football. So you can see Saturday's program for me looks something like this. 8 o'clock, ride my bicycle. 12 o'clock, lunch with friends. 7 o'clock, watch football. So that's Saturday's activities for me. But now it's time for the next day of the weekend, Sunday. And what I want to do on Sunday, I need a haircut. So around 10 o'clock on Sunday morning, I will go for a haircut. I need my hair cutting, so on Sunday I will go. And that's around 10 o'clock in the morning. And then in the afternoon, I need to go shopping. Around 1 o'clock in the afternoon, I will go to Central Plaza. I go shopping. And shopping will be for most of the afternoon. And then after shopping on Sunday, I've arranged to meet my friends. But not for lunch. What meal do we have in the evening? Dinner. Excellent. So on Sunday at around 6 p.m. or 1800 hours, I will not be having lunch with friends. I will be having dinner with friends. So you can see over the 2 different days, there are different times and different activities. So Sunday, guys, 10 o'clock, go for a haircut. And then on Sunday at 1 o'clock, go shopping. And finally, on Sunday evening at 6 o'clock, I will have dinner with friends. And this is an example of how to complete a weekend program, which is something that our students are going to have the chance to do next. So well done, guys. That was great. And now it's time for our worksheet activity part of the lesson. So teachers, make sure every student in your class gets their own worksheet. And what we've got today is a worksheet for our students to complete their weekend program. So we have Saturday's activities and Sunday's activities, 2 days. So now we're encouraging our students to think independently. Think about what they're going to do this coming weekend. And then they can write the times and the activities on the correct dates that they will do them. And that's what we mean by program. So if our students need any help with spelling or vocabulary, you can help them by writing on the board and give them around 15 minutes to complete this activity too. But what's the first thing to do, guys? Names on top. So Net, this one's for you. Pak Boom for you. You're welcome. Pat, here's yours. You're welcome. Nadia, for you. Okay. Chew, this one for you. You're welcome. Down, here's yours. You're welcome. Proud, this for you. You're welcome. Lakau, this one's for you. And Bangpon. So guys, have a think about your weekend. Today is Friday. So tomorrow is Saturday. What will you do tomorrow? And what times will you do them? And then think about the second day of the weekend, Sunday. There's some examples here. If you go to ride your bicycle, you can write, ride my bicycle. Lunch with friends or play with friends. Play telephone. It's totally up to you. You can think independently and then write the activities in the spaces. Okay. You don't need to tell me, you can just write them. Okay? So eat breakfast. Okay, excellent. Watch TV. W. If you need any help with spelling, you can let me know and I will write on the board. So Nadia, watch TV. Watch. W. A-T-C-H, TV. Eat breakfast, okay. So eat, breakfast, B-R-E-A-K-F-A-S-T. And if you like to listen to music, listen, L-I-S-T. E-N. So there's lots of activities you can do. Think about your weekend program. Ride my bicycle. Okay. So Bangpon, what will you do? Saturday morning, watch TV. Okay. And then, how about Saturday afternoon? Play, eat lunch. Okay, excellent. Eat lunch too, yes. So eat. Where do we have? Eat is E-A-T, and then lunch. Excellent, Pak Bong. So eat breakfast, watch TV. Nadia will watch TV Saturday morning too. Very good. Eat lunch. Perfect. And then tomorrow, Saturday, after eat lunch, what will you do? Play telephone, play football, play telephone. Okay. So play, the verb. Excellent. And telephone. P. Excellent, Prel. That's correct. Play telephone. And if you need any more help with words or spellings, let me know, guys. And you don't have to fill the worksheet completely. As long as you have 4 or 5 activities for each day, that's fine. I didn't have a lot. I just do the main activities for my program, like ride my bicycle, lunch with friends, and watch football. Play with dogs. Yes. So play, P-L-A-Y. And tomorrow I will look for Coco. Brush. R-U-S-H. Brush. S. And remember, guys, everyone's will be different. You'll have different activities at different times. Some of them will be similar, like tomorrow morning, we all eat breakfast, but the times might be different. And the same for lunch and dinner. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the worksheet exercise where they had to think about their own weekend program and write the correct times for the various activities. And it's interesting to see some of the things our students get up to during their weekend. So well done, guys. That was excellent. And that's all we've got time for today. So we hope you've enjoyed the lesson and found it interesting and now know what it means to create our own schedule with a program. And we'll see you again soon for the next lesson. So can we turn to wave and say goodbye, guys? Bye-bye. See you again soon.